Hey guys, so today we are going to review or kind of talk about these three different lights here. Now we'll go over them. I'll try to go over model numbers too. First you have the Porter cable, 20 volt. Can I see? This is my oldest one. I'm looking for the model number. I don't even know if this is available. Oh, wait a minute. So model number PCC 700. This one I've had for quite some time. Next, we'll go over here to my newest one. This is the Craftsman CMC L020 20 volt. And this one is the Cobalt. Can I see the... Probably got to pull the battery out. No? Is it on the bottom maybe? Oh. It's going to be on the side, isn't it? Oh, there we go. So this is the KFL 224B-03, 24 volt. Now, I suppose it's almost an unfair comparison because these two are just like portable work lights, where this one is a floodlight. But, I wanted to do a review on this one because it's my newest one. But I thought, why don't we just talk about them all? So, I mean, all of them are good for what they're made to do, I guess. The old Porter cable one has 4 LEDs, which I'm sure you can see there, where the new Craftsman one only has 3. This one has 1, but much larger than the other ones. You know what? Let's turn off the lights and see how these look. Hey Google, turn off shop light. All right, now we still get a little bit of residual light. I've got the GoPro light on. I'll turn that off. And we get a little bit of residual light because I got the door cracked open a little bit over there, but you'll get the hint. So we're going to face them away because there's no reason to blind you guys today. So the Porter cable first. There it is. Like I said, it's good for what it does. The light pretty much travels as far as you need it to travel in an area where you're working. Now we'll try the Craftsman light. Same thing, just like the Porter cable. We'll turn them on together. I really, maybe you guys can see, I really don't see a difference between these two lights. They're both 20 volt, you got 3 LED, 4 LED, but they seem to light up an equal amount of area. Now, where this one shines is it's a floodlight. And it just drowns both of them out. Now, I'll aim the camera. We'll turn this one off first. I'll aim the camera to the other side of the shop so you guys can see another comparison. That's a Porter cable light. Craftsman light. We'll turn them both on. You can see they, like I said, pretty. I guess the Craftsman light over here, it travels a little farther than the Porter cable one, but they're pretty equally as bright. Now, when it comes to doing shadow puppets for the kids, you get the Cobalt floodlight, which just lights up everything. Downfalls to this light. Oh look, you can see the camera shadow. Downfalls to the Cobalt light is it's significantly heavier, more cumbersome. Hey Google, turn on shop light. But like if you have to light up a whole field to work on, this is what I recommend. It does have a mount, like a tripod mount, or you can mount it on a wall. I've never done that. I just set it up on a fence post or something, and like I said, it lights up the whole field. Where these guys, for example, if you are much more convenient, like if you're working in an attic or under a house or something, you can just, you could fit these guys in your tool bag. I've never done a test on the Porter cable to see how long the battery lasts. I know it doesn't last super long. This one, however, on a 2 amp battery, I turned it on one day at, I think it was like 4 p.m. And when I got up for work the next day at 4 a.m., it was still on. And the battery out of 3 bars was only lost 1 bar, running all night long. So I really like this for longevity. I mean, this thing, you can turn it on and have it on all day for your work day. You know, go through a 12, 18-hour work day, and it'll just keep on going and going and going. So anyway, guys, just wanted to do a quick one here. Like I said, this started out being like an unboxing and a review for this guy, and then I thought, well, let's just talk about all of them. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.